Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am finally done with this mini album flip book. I wasn't working on it consecutively. I finally was doing a carousel themed happy mail, so I was able to, do my embellishments for this book. So I did do a tutorial on how to make the actual book itself. And then another tutorial on like how I sewed and did the front pieces and all the like color cardstock like photo matting. Okay, so this is how I decorated it. Even though I did all that pretty stuff, I ended up covering it, but I think, that's what everybody does, and it's hard for me to try to cover pretty stuff, but I think it looks so cute. So I used the die cuts from the ephemera pack. So sweet. I stole this like wannabe rosette that never got folded up from Adriana Alvarez. Some little tags with some gorgeous trim from Joann's. I felt like it went perfect with the collection. One of my little famous swans you guys have seen. Little frame. I did this little tassel on the side with some trims that I thought looked carousel-ish. Oh, it's hanging itself. A little swan from the knickknack section of Hobby Lobby. It says filled with joy. And then the back I just have made with love by Craft Purge. So undo the seam binding. And this book I did it a little too fat because my embellishments had flowers on them. So this is the first page. And there's these little die cuts with the ephemera pack, and it's numbered 1 through like 7 or 8. So I was like, what perfect way, I'll just label the book. So this first page, I did use that big giant giraffe die cut, some stars, and this is magnetized. I love the way that sounds. Can you guys hear it on camera? So it opens up, and I just did my typewriter, my Tim Holtz typewriter die. You guys saw my little project share for these guys. And I didn't decorate the pages. I just stuck the embellishments on and called it a day, because I didn't want it to be overwhelming. And then I did the little trim on the opposite adjacent sides. Then this page, did a little, what's that called? A paper clip, swan paper clip, a tag, bedazzled it in Wink of Stella. Some layering going on. Then right here is the cutout section. I stuck a little miniature doily pack in there, I guess. Decorated the top. I have a heart paper punch, so I just kept punching, and it's all crooked. I couldn't punch straight in a line, but I think it looked cute like that now that it's all crooked. Then this, I just did a little ticket and folded it in half so that she can see that there is something in here. So it kind of is like a tab, I guess, a tab. Then this page are the Tim Holtz clock embellishments that you guys saw me share. Getting a little smashed because I made them too fat. So that's page 3. Then page 4, I did, the ticket booth girl with that Hobby Lobby glitter in the background. And then instead of cotton candy like I've seen a lot of people do, I did a wine glass. Yes, girl. I know Kate will appreciate that. Then this is a little envelope from Tuesday morning, and I just left the tag in there and then taped on a little pack of, these are, I want to say 2-inch circles maybe, and I did some gold thread stitching in a circle around. So circle stitched so she can embellish and do her own thing. I'll stick that in later. And then I also, so this is the cardstock, and then I just did this is that new polka dot foiled tulle. So cute, from Joann's. I literally just stuck a glob of glue in the middle and then put this down. So all the edges they're not adhered. They're just loose and flowing. Then right here I have a little pull tab using the Joann stickers. And I made several of those bag toppers on my silhouette cameo. It's this right here. It's kind of busy going on with the pattern. It's this bow topper, but in different colors in there for her to use. I'll do those later. Put that back in. That's page 4. Page 5 is the telephone and camera embellies that you guys have seen. And on the edges, or not the edges, the binding part, I just did different washi tapes that I had. Gold, a really pretty floral washi. I mean, you could easily mat this with paper before you stick this piece in, but eh. And then this last page, page 6, is a triangle side pocket. And just did some layering right here with the die cuts. And then this is some handmade bows using Septeria's tutorial. No glue, no sewing, no nothing. Like the easiest tool making bow tutorial. I will list that down below. Little paper clip. And then these are like that thick canvas glitter from Hobby Lobby. And I saw I Am Absolutely Alice. I forgot who she sent it to in mail, but I took a mental note, and she just cut tags, put a little a little eyelet in there, and did some like crochet style trim. So I think those are super cute. And yeah, that is my flip book slash embelly book for Kate. I went all out on this, and I couldn't think of, you know, anyone more deserving than her, and I hope that it makes her happy and smile. All right, bye guys. Catch you on the next video.